This is code.org, commits and the backpack. Cool. So software engineers commit their code to save changes made to their programs so you can easily go back. So it is easy to go back to an earlier version. I'm really honestly excited and gonna nerd out about this for a second, guys. Comments are what actually happens in programming, for software engineers. If you work at Google and you're working on some code stuff, or Facebook or Microsoft or Apple or TikTok or wherever, and you code, how do you check in your code? How do you give it, create a record of it, also allow other people to access it, maybe on your team? You commit your code. This is what is done in the big world of big people, of adults, and it is great practice that they have incorporated in this. Code.org sometimes looks kiddish, I know. This is honestly what these types of environments often look like in a simplified way, and the terminology and what we're doing is what actually happens in professional settings for every large company you can imagine. So, that being said, the backpack allows you to save classes that you create so you can import them into other projects. So they call it a backpack. That's a bit different, but that works, right? So what are we going to do? To commit your code and save your painterplus.java file to your backpack, click the commit code in the upper right. Yep, way up here. Then what are we going to do? Enter a short description about the current version of your program, such as Painter Plus with TurnRight. All right, commit code. I really dislike that they're saying Painter Plus again, which is interesting because I know it's Painter Plus, that's the name of the file, but these aren't right and wrong. You want to have some details, they're never supposed to be super long. For this one, I guess I'll take the recommendation. It's redundant to say Painter Plus, but Painter Plus with TurnRight. I'm committing just Painter Plus, check, commit. Cool. Check the backpack and check the painter.java file in the save to backpack section. Backpack, and there it is. Awesome. Click commit and save. Yep, we've already done that. We have it in the backpack. We're ready to rock. Awesome, awesome. And we're going to be committing our code more often as we go through this because it allows us to access it in other levels. It also allows us, as it says here, to go back to previous versions. Handy stuff. Onward.